Hi guys, Dean from Ruby Sketch here, and today I'm going to teach you the basics of the Truss tool in Plusspec 2016. To access the Truss tool, go to Roof Tools, and then Roof Truss tool. The dialog box will open, and first up we have Truss Type. This allows us to choose between a hip truss and a gable truss. Next up, we have the pitch. This refers to the pitch of the truss. Once the pitch has been selected, we have three different overhangs to write measurements for: left rafter, right rafter, and front rafter overhangs. I'll show you what they are if you don't understand. The left rafter is the left rafter that when you draw it. Here we have it at 350, and on here it's 350. The right rafter is the right side of the rafter overhang. 600 on here. The front raft overhang is the overhang at the front, which is at 250. Next up is options for the end truss. First we select the end type we want if needed, either plumb cut or square cut. Now we've selected that, we move on to the next step, which asks put end truss. Not always will we need to put an end truss, so if you need one, make sure you select it. If not, unselect it. Next is spacing. This means that the spacing between each truss. This is shown here. The next option we have is being asked is the truncated truss setback. This just means what it says, the setback for the truncated truss. If you don't know what that is, that's this truss here. See how we've set 800? When we move around here, set at 1800. Next, we have our materials for our top chord and bottom chord. This is where you can select the size of timber you'd like. After that, we have valley truss options. Include valley truss. If you don't know what valley truss is, that's this part here. The truss that sits on the other trusses. We can also select valley trusses only. So if we only want to draw valley trusses, then we can just select this one here. We can also select the rafter adjoining pitch, which is this rafter here. And the rafter adjoining size, which is the size of it. And we also have height adjusting. You can see here that these trusses are stepped down from this one here. All this height adjusting means is the distance between here and here, which is set at 400. Now to draw the truss, we're going to open up the truss again. You just use 3 easy clicks. Click Submit. Left click your first point. And now the first draw line we're doing is the horizontal of the truss. So this is the distance between the right side and left side of the truss. Click your next left point with the left click. And then we do the distance of how far we want our trusses to go. So you can even write in your measurement, 4 meters. Click enter or left click. Give it 2 seconds, and there you go. Also, if your model is taking too long to draw trusses, make sure to use the Purge. This will speed up your model process. Okay guys, thanks for listening and I hope you enjoyed it.